This is dedicated anime fan.
Azurkite09, hi.
And this video is dedicated to my new little
To
puppy.
our little puppy! Meet the new co-star!
He's an American bulldog. His name is Lucky.
Lucky!
Huh?
This is gonna be on there!
This is gonna be on YouTube.
This is a
Mom.
blooper.
No, I'm putting this one on YouTube. Mom, you're going on YouTube.
Oh no.
Yeah.
Sorry for the interruption.
Yeah, this is what Lucky says. Hi. Hi, Lucky. Say hi.
It's sleepy right now.
Hello, all my co-stars out there.
I got him yesterday. He's so cute. He gets bullied by a bigger one, though. She's a female. Her name is Daisy.
Say hello to all my co-stars, huh? I'm gonna be on some of these refrigerators, huh? I'll be famous. Why am I falling asleep, huh?
I'll put him down on the floor right now. We didn't plan this far. What do we
I
do
don't
now?
know. So
Okay.
yeah, how's the
You
weather,
know what?
everybody?
I have an idea.
How is
Post-
the weather?
Post
Hello.
You don't forget it.
Monkey butts.
Post comments.
Hi.
Ew, you licked me. Ew.
Ew, you think wrong. Oh God, no, the stick. People, get her away from me.
Okay, post comments saying whether you think our dog is cute, not, or whatever you want to say.
Yeah, if you guys think it's not cute, you're done. Ow, my wrist just
You don't have
popped.
to go that far.
I know. Oh God. Oh God. Oh God. Why nay?
It's pathetic. You're weaker than a girl.
You just saying that on YouTube? How
Mm.
could you?
Bye,
Oh, to all the
peoples.
guys out there, what do you think about guys being more weaker than girls? Is it true or false? Your opinions, they count. I think my opinion. No, they aren't. Oh God. And that's not to be mean to any other girls out there. So yeah, I think we should end the video. 'Cause, yeah. Let me hold the
Bye,
stick.
people.